Hello and welcome to the channel. In this part 2, our second episode of little 86 tips, I'm going to be showing you how to do the headlight washers. So you have your window washers, which is, you know, this for your windows. Oh, that's the full beam. Don't even know my own car. You have that for the windows, and that washes the windows. The headlight washers basically does that for the headlights, and it's because they're over a certain brightness, so they have to legally have headlight washers. Not that many people know how to activate it on the 86. In a lot of cars it's different. Sometimes there's even a button for it, but in the 86, all you're going to need to do is make sure your lights are turned on. So go to your headlights. We're out of focus. Go to your headlights, and there you go. Make sure they're turned all the way on. You can see the dash is lit up there. So now the headlights are on. You'll probably see a beam of water spray over here, and I'll show you a close-up as well. So when I spray my window, right, so that sucked my wide angle. So it's got all fuzzy now when you look through it. Personally, the reason I think this is useful to know in the daytime is for when you have someone maybe, you know, messing around over here. Let's say you're at a car meet and someone's leaning against your car. There's nothing more fun than that. Or if you've got a mate and he's coming up, these things never spray directly onto the headlights. Well, they do, they spray onto the headlights, but they also spray absolutely everywhere. And there's nothing more fun than sitting in your car, watching your mate about to jump in, and then spraying him. So yeah, that's how to do that on the 86. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you found it useful. If you want to know anything else about the 86, watch another video. I've got 3 videos. I might even do another one, might be 4, I don't know. You have to go through. I've got a couple of other videos as well and other things I've been doing to this 86. Obviously there's a nice radio there. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed, hope you found this useful, and see you later.